Welcome back to 77 Cars. Today, we're diving deep into the modern modifications of the 2025 Tata Nexon, exploring every component that elevates this compact SUV to new heights. The 2025 Tata Nexon showcases a bold and futuristic exterior design. A custom body kit enhances its aerodynamic profile, while sleek LED headlights and taillights provide improved illumination and a contemporary look. The addition of 16-inch alloy wheels not only boosts its aesthetic appeal but also contributes to better handling and ride comfort. Roof rails and a rear spoiler add a sporty touch, complementing the overall dynamic stance of the vehicle. Under the hood, the Nexon is powered by a 1.2-litre turbocharged Revotron petrol engine, delivering 120 PS of power and 170 Nm of torque. This engine is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a responsive and engaging driving experience. For those seeking convenience, an automatic transmission option is also available. The Nexon's suspension system has been fine-tuned to provide a balance between comfort and agility, ensuring a smooth ride across various terrains. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes modernity and comfort. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, providing both support and luxury. A 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage on the dashboard, offering seamless connectivity with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The new 2-spoke steering wheel, adorned with an illuminated Tata logo, adds a touch of elegance. Automatic climate control ensures a pleasant environment, while ambient lighting sets the mood for every journey. The Nexon doesn't compromise on safety. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, Electronic Stability Program, ESP, and a tire pressure monitoring system. Parking is made effortless with a rear-view camera and sensors, while automatic headlamps and rain-sensing wipers enhance visibility in varying weather conditions. The inclusion of multi-drive modes allows drivers to tailor the vehicle's performance to their preferences, be it city commuting or highway cruising. In terms of dimensions, the Nexon measures 3,995 mm in length, 1,804 mm in width, and 1,620 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,498 mm. A ground clearance of 208 mm ensures it can tackle rough roads with ease. The boot space stands at 382 litres, offering ample room for luggage. The fuel tank capacity is 44 litres, providing a decent driving range between refuels. Additional features include a panoramic sunroof, keyless entry with push-button start, cruise control, and a premium sound system, all designed to enhance the driving experience. The Nexon's interior layout is both functional and stylish, with thoughtful storage solutions and high-quality materials used throughout. In summary, the 2025 Tata Nexon, with its modern modifications, stands out as a compelling choice in the compact SUV segment. It seamlessly blends performance, comfort, and style, catering to the needs of today's discerning drivers. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the 2025 Tata Nexon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 77 Cars for more detailed reviews and automotive insights.